My name's Will and I'm studying physics at Cherwell College. I'm doing physics with Cherwell College because I want to be a pilot when I'm older, and Cherwell is helping me with that. I've got excellent tuition and they're just very helpful with that. I'm really lucky to be at Cherwell College. The education is fantastic. I have one-to-one tuition. The extracurricular is fantastic. Like for today, we're at the Schwartzman Centre for Humanities, and it's just fantastic learning about Oxford and its histories.
So what's the biggest difference in how you actually learn here compared to before?
Well, having a one-to-one tutor means that each session is tailored to your needs, and that tutor, having such a high level of understanding of the subject, will pick up on the areas that you're weaker at, whereas in a class, like at a sixth form or a different college, there'd be 30 people, so you just wouldn't be getting the education you're getting here.
So could you describe how a one-to-one tutorial works?
At the moment, me and my tutor are just going through papers. So what I'll do is I'll go away and I'll study a paper in my own time, and then I'll bring it in. And then me and my tutor will just sit down, go through and pick up on the areas that I'm weaker at, and then we'll go off and study those together. And obviously, like I said, with having one-to-one tuition, it means we can go really in depth into the subjects that I understand. Whereas again, if it was a class, I wouldn't be able to do that because there'd be 30 other people, which I find really helpful.
So tell me about your old school. What did a normal Tuesday look like?
It was, you just go in, have lessons. There wasn't much in the way of extracurricular like there is at Cherwell. You didn't really go out and do things. Obviously you can go out with your mates, but here there's more structure to it. Like every Saturday we'll go out and we'll go do something, which is always exciting.
What made you decide to come to Cherwell College instead of staying for sixth form?
Well, to me it was just what really worked around my time schedule. I didn't really have the availability with something like sixth form where you have to be there all the time, but Cherwell offers flexible boarding, so that worked with what I was doing at the moment.
So what do you think the biggest difference is in here, how you actually learn compared to before?
You're gonna have to give me a second to think about that one.
So outside the classroom, how do you think being in Oxford has affected you academically?
Oxford's a very busy place. There's always something going on. Just the other week we had May Day, so there was lots of celebrations for that. There was people out in the streets singing. We're always doing something. Every weekend we're going out. I'm going to play tennis this weekend with a friend of mine. And we went to see 2 exhibitions just the other week. So that was very interesting.
So now outside the classroom, how do you think being in Oxford makes you feel?
Oxford's a great city. It's very clean. There's no crime. No, I can't say that.
So do you think it's been harder than expected?
No, I think there's been excellent tutors. They've been very supportive in my learning. I couldn't have asked for better.